In this tutorial, we're going to create a text mask effect using flames in the background. So you have your text in the front with flames in behind the text, and we're going to slowly zoom in until the text disappears and reveals the flames. So if you're interested, follow me. So we have the flames already imported, so drag it to the timeline, right click, insert video track, right click, insert text media, call this flames, we'll change it to Arial and make it bold. See that? Make it the same length as the flames. I'll go to compositing mode, select multiply mask, go to event pan and crop, set the cursor around 6 seconds, and drag this all the way into the M. Until it reveals the flames in the background. So when you play it back, it looks like this. So if you found this helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.